experimentation is not only cruel, but it also is frequently ineffective. It is important to recognize that animals do not naturally develop many diseases that affect humans, including major heart diseases, various types of cancer, HIV, Parkinson's disease, and schizophrenia. Instead, scientists artificially induce symptoms of these diseases in animals in effort to replicate human conditions. However, these experiments fail to acknowledge the intricate nature of human elements, which are influenced by a multitude of factors such as genetics, socioeconomic circumstances, deeply psychological issues, any personal experiences, and etc. While some argue that animal testing is necessary for the advancement of medicine and development of new treatments, others believe that it's unethical and unreliable, since it doesn't work. Did you know that the success rate of drugs that pass animal tests and then proceed to human critical trials is only 6%? It's a shocking statistic that highlights the limitations of relying solely on animal testing. Over 100 stroke drugs and more than 85 HIV vaccines show promise in animal trials, only to fail when tested on human. This pattern is not limited to these diseases alone. Even treatments aimed at reducing inflammation in critically ill patients, which showed the positive results in animal tests, have failed in human critical trials. Animal tests may give us some insights, but they are not foolproof indicators of safety and efficiency in humans. Take that famous case in Intabut, a sleeping pill from the 1950s. It was tested on animals before its release, but it caused animals did not result in birth defects unless the drug was administered at extremely high doses. This discrepancy highlights the inherent differences between animals and human biology, which is obvious. These examples emphasize that the need of alternative methods to animal testing, but the importance of conducting through human clinical trials. Various alternative research methods, such as vitro testing, provide opportunities to minimize or estimate the need for animal testing. For instance, advertisements in 3D printing technology have enabled the development of tissue by printing. A French company is currently working on bioprinting a liver that can be used as the toxicity of pharmaceuticals. Additionally, artificial human skin like EBI-DERN and Thinsert can be created using sheet of human cells cultivated in test tubes or plastic walls. These methods may yield more relevant results compared to testing chemicals on human skin, animal skin. Highlighted the potential of creating skin models using human skin cells. He mentioned that models mimicking normal skin diseases like psoriasis or pigmented skin resembling different ethnicities can develop using human cells, which is not feasible with animal models. The Environmental Program Agency is confident that the alternative and aims reduce chemical testing on mammals by 30% by 2025, with the goal of completely eliminating it by 2035. Overall, the development of alternative research methods can as an issue by printing and the development of alternative research methods such as tissue printing and artificial human skin models presents extensive possibilities of minimizing or eliminating the animal testing. To summarize, the practice of animal testing should be abolished due to its disgusting upon the rights of animals, infliction of pain and suffering upon the subjects, and the existence of alternative methods that I've mentioned. The notion of enhancing human life at the expense of randomly subjecting thousands and millions of animals of torture and execution of laboratory experiments of product cannot morally be justified and should be illegal.